Here are some tips and tricks for quick and easy drawing of features using the mapping tools. Start with a larger shape. This could be your baseline or one you've drawn from scratch, and use the map tools to cut out internal features. The Cut Out and Keep tool cuts out full polygons from inside another one and creates a new feature. Use the Split tool to cut out any shapes from the edge of your existing polygons. Using this tool, you can quickly and easily cut out shapes from within shapes to create multiple features. Hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and click on multiple features to add habitat information quickly in one go. To fill in shapes, make sure that overlap avoidance is turned on, then draw around the shape you want to fill. Use Snap to align the edges. If you need to draw a new feature over multiple baselines, draw your polygon, then select any overlapping features and use Clip All to quickly chop the new shape out of your existing polygons. Alternatively, if you decide to add a baseline feature after drawing some geometry, use the Clip All to make sure there are no overlaps. If you're struggling to see the line you're working on, use the Geometry Quick Filter to just see your lines. You can now also easily cut up lines using the Split tool.